Okay. So now, since the next few questions are based on nature of roots, I would like to discuss a little about nature of roots and discriminants with you all before we continue with the next few questions. Alright. So let's have a quick look at a quadratic equation. Let's give an example. 7x square plus 5x equals to 3. Okay. So now this is a quadratic equation. First thing which you should do is write it in the standard form. Standard form is bring everything onto one side. So I take this 3 this side, and what we get is 7x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Let's compare it to the standard form of a quadratic equation. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, just compare. What is a? Come on. As I said, you have to speak out loud so that you connect properly. A. What is a? Come on. A is 7. Very good. Let's see. What is b? Now, you compare b with what is next to x. So, what is b? B is 5. What is c? Come on. C is, now you have to consider that the plus sign is here. So, c will be what? Minus 3. Okay. Now, if you want to relate to the discriminant, okay, very important. This is represented by capital D, and this is b square minus 4ac. Note this fact. This is very, very important. B square minus 4ac. Okay? Yes. Now let's have a look. This discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, is very, very important. Okay? So there are three possibilities, right? This value can be a positive number, let's say 7, alright, d equals to 7, that means it is greater than 0. Second possibility, d is equal to 0. And third possibility is d is a number, let's say minus 4, that means it is less than 0. Alright, so now please understand. We will have, you can note this thing in your notebooks and remember it. We will have real and distinct roots if discriminant is greater than 0. Real means we'll have the roots. Distinct means one will be, let's say 5, the other will be minus 7. We'll have two different roots. Okay. Next thing. So what if discriminant is equal to 0? Whenever discriminant is equal to 0, you will have real and equal roots. Means both the roots will be same, 7 and 7, 11 and 11. Okay. Next thing, what if discriminant is negative? If discriminant is negative, you will not have any real solution. Okay, just remember this fact.